be showing you how to make this tie-dye like top, and this is the one which I made for my tie-dye stall. Like me and my bestie Adya had kept this stall in like the Will Street. So yeah, we had kept one workshop type of stall, and I'm gonna be playing the footage at the end of the video. By the way guys, today I'm showing you how to make this tie-dye top, and it's so super easy. You can wear it anywhere that you want, and I love this thingy because it's so super easy to make and so beautiful when it's made and looks like. And that's the thing that I love about it. We usually use like tie and dye, but we are gonna be making this with acrylic paint. So I wanted to tell you guys that there's gonna be change in my upcoming videos. Now this change will be like in my craftiness video, I won't be like doing the intro because you guys come for the content, not for my intros, right? I don't wanna bore you and stuff like that. It's gonna be the last video with the intro for now, but I may pop up between the video or tell something like I usually do, like some announcement notice or something like that. We usually say cut, make and create. Instead of me saying cut, make and create, there's gonna be animation on it, but I guess from the next video it will be like that in the DIY video. So yeah guys, this is I guess my last video of DIY in which I'm for now, which I'm saying. So let's get into the actual stuff, and so let's cut, make and create. So yeah guys, so we'll take a t-shirt and then like just damp it a bit so it's like wet and it will like twist properly. So here I am twisting the cloth in the spiral pattern, as today we are making this spiral pattern of tie-dye t-shirt because that's my favorite. And now we'll just like swirl it and put it on the rubber bands and secure it. Now I've taken bottle and acrylic paint, and I'm gonna put like some acrylic paint and water and just shake it a bit. And now I have chosen 3 colors. They are teal, red and purple. So we are just gonna alternate it and put it. I'm sorry for just popping out between this video. I'm gonna make this type of combination which I'm wearing currently. It's like basically a Halloween combination. So what the colors I've used are like red, purple and orange, and it looks so super Halloweeny. I don't know if it's a word Halloweeny, but Halloweeny, and so super spooky. If you're making this for Halloween or in the Halloween season, this is perfect and you should totally use this combination. Guys, as you can see, the front side is completed, so we are just gonna flip it and do with the back side. Yep guys. Guys, now we'll just like package it and keep it like to set, or like after packaging keep it to set for like 1 or like 2 days so that it can absorb properly and all that stuff. So it's the next day and here I have the tie-dye thingy in my hand. So let's continue our project here. So guys, it's time to open, and I'm just gonna be opening it now. And I've like opened it and put it outside, and I've just grabbed this rough cloth and I'm gonna just like soak it so like it won't like put the water which is absorbed would like not spill out really, like because I'm just opening it now. So with the like I'm just gonna like damp it a bit with my cloth, and I'm gonna just open the rubber bands and like open the t-shirt properly. Let's like just put that fan on full speed. And it's in the center. So guys, it's night time, so it's like already dried. As like yesterday we made it, we had let it like it to set, and today morning we opened it, and now it was like the whole day under the fan. It's now finally dry. And if you wanna like you don't have patience or you wanna make it and wear it the next day, what you can do is a clever trick that you can use a hair dryer to dry it, and it will like dry within 10 minutes if you have like that much of patience, like in which you have to like have some patience making this thingy. So because we did it during the tree street when we were making it, like we had a stall in a school. Some of the footage will be shown to you in this video. So yeah guys, that's that. And so what I was saying is that now we'll like let it like cool down in night time. So today I'll show you how does it look after it's like ironed. So I'm just gonna keep it to iron, and like it's already dried, so it's like you can like fasten the process by using a hair dryer, but I didn't because I wasn't in a hurry. I've used acrylic color, but the thing is that you have diluted it with water, so it will like lose some paint. So like do a darker shade because we had faced that problem. So yep guys, let's take this to press करा आहे आम्हाला घालायचं आहे हे.
मी आता घालायचंय का तुम्हाला?
हो. I've worn this t-shirt and it looks like so super cool. I'm just gonna like do a zoom out, but first I'm gonna show you I'm just gonna make a quick hairstyle and be right back. So guys, I'm just idealist like which hairstyle to make right now. So I'm just gonna make a simple one. I guess this simple hairstyle is looking quite good. I'm just gonna keep this, work with this one. And guys, if you want to see your hairstyle video, some of my favorite hairstyles, let me know in the comments down below, as I'm gonna be like I'm thinking of doing that video for you guys. So this is how my dress and my outfit looks right now. So I'm just gonna like style it this thing a bit. I'm like going to my sports class, in my basketball class, so I'm wearing a sports pant, but you can like wear shorts, or even like if you're going for a workout, you can wear this t-shirt and it looks so super cool. And you can use it like for parties or anywhere that you like, because I love this thingy. So what I'm gonna just do is I'm gonna tie this thingy, or you can just like put this in like this or something like so, or just tie it like this. Anything will do. I'll be a while. So this outfit turned out, and it's looking so super cool, as you can see. And it's the same on the back side, just a lighter shade. Yeah. Highlight footage will be now played as it's the end of the video.
Divija's tie and dye workshop.
Who have stayed till the end, Sheera's gonna be saying you bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye guys. Sheera's saying bye. Okay, for now guys, goodbye.